If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making CHUNCI PATRA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take about 1 cup of rice and soak that in some water for roughly about 5 to 6 hours. Then with the help of a blender, blend to make a smooth paste. Then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then half a cup of jaggery or gur, 1 cup of grated coconut, a quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then take about 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium, and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make chena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or chena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the chena, slowly pour some water on top of it. Now in a bowl, take all the blended rice, then to that add half of the salt, and we need to make this into a thin batter. So once it's done, let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And in the meantime, we will make the stuffing. Now take the jaggery along with quarter cup of water in a pan and set the flame on medium and let all the gur dissolve completely. Then after that, add the clove and cardamom powder, a pinch of salt and about 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it up really well. Then after that, add all the coconut, reduce the flame to low and coat them really well. And let it cook till all the moisture is gone, that is the water content, and the mixture becomes a little dry. Then to that, add about half a cup of chena and combine these really well. Then switch off the flame and let it cool down. Now take a skillet or a tawa and add about 1 tablespoon of ghee over medium flame. Now once the tawa is hot, pour a ladle full of the rice batter and spread it into a thin pitha and let it cook on medium flame for roughly about a couple of minutes. Then after that, if needed, drizzle some ghee and place a small amount of the stuffing at the center. Then try to scrape off the edges and fold it like an envelope, and it will be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, CHUNCI PATRA PITHA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.